But when you wake up, the first thing in the city, either you hear the horning of cars or the loud music, be it even no, number one, you'll notice there are no birds, because number one, and number two, birds love places that are natural in nature, because that's why they are not in places where it's only high rises and buildings. So the only way we can, as I talked earlier about the biolife, we can even have the animals, because the animals, they are also thinking either subconsciously or consciously. So their mental health also matters, because that is how they are able to live. As you mentioned earlier, people dying of depression. See, mental health is also related to how somebody lives and how somebody carries on their daily businesses. So if we don't try to curb those negative effects of climate change that are later leading on to mental health decline, it also leads to increased rates of death due to mental challenges